drinking water but still feeling weak? Electrolytes might be the problem. Only drinking plain water can dilute electrolytes. Low sodium causes early fatigue and weakness. Low potassium leads to muscle cramps. Ignoring electrolytes after sweating slows recovery. Energy drinks aren't proper electrolyte solutions. Balanced electrolytes improve strength and endurance. Fix electrolyte mistakes and train stronger. If your mornings feel slow, these foods can change everything. Fresh fruits give your body natural morning energy. They wake up your digestion and boost your mood. Oats keep you full and release energy slowly. They help you stay active through the morning. Nuts give strong, long-lasting energy. They support your brain, so you stay focused. Add these foods to your morning and feel the difference.
These simple foods can clean your stomach naturally. Warm water in the morning helps your stomach wake up. Fiber-rich fruits help your digestion move smoothly. Papaya is one of the best foods for cleaning your stomach. Yogurt adds good bacteria that support your gut. Lemon water helps reduce bloating and discomfort. And bananas help your stomach feel calm and settled. Add these natural foods to your day and feel lighter.
Stop for a moment. These foods can keep your body healthy. First, fresh fruits. They provide natural vitamins. Fruits help your immunity stay strong. Second, green vegetables. They clean your body naturally. Greens also improve digestion and energy. Third, nuts and seeds. They support your heart and brain. They strengthen your body with natural minerals. Add these foods to your daily routine and feel the difference. Like, comment, and subscribe.